Hello, my friends, and welcome to another successful week. Last week, I discussed with you the winning lottery trade. But before I start, why most of my viewers are not subscribed? I urge you to subscribe because here and only here you will learn how to be a successful trader. So, last week, if you recall, I told you that I'm going to trade only the euro dollar short. Okay, and I have explained the reasons for that. I told you there's a clear head and shoulders here. There's a stochastic divergence. There is a rising channel which is about to be broken. Uh, with a falling trend after a rising Elliott wave pattern. Okay, and it turned out that everything I told you was correct. Okay, the head and shoulders pattern here was tested after the neckline was broken and it was retested again. Okay, then the price fall has fallen down to break the trend line, and now it's ready for the free falling. I'm talking, of course, about the euro dollar here. Okay, as you know, I'm just discussing my ideas on how I'm going to trade. I'm sharing with you my trades, and I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just you have to make your math or consult your financial advisor about that. Okay, do your math, but take the idea from me. Okay, so here the euro dollar, as you can see, has broken the trend line, has broken the neckline, retested, and continue falling. And the first target for me is going to be at 109, then 108. Then there will be some kind of consolidation here. I'm not expecting the price to drop for more than that for the on the upcoming week. Especially that I'm not going to. Usually, I size up the my trades. I'm going to add more, sell more euro dollars, but I'm not going to do it until Tuesday because on Monday I believe the market is going to be a little bit choppy. Then on the following week, I believe the price might drop back to 1.05, but of course, I'm reanalyzing my positions on a weekly basis, so I will leave this to the following week. Uh, the reason why I believe that it might go as low as the 1.05 because there's a fair value gap here. It's very clear, and there is a very supply and support level at the same time here. But it's going to stack a little bit in this choppy area. Okay, but I'm confident that the pair is very bearish, especially that the same pattern here is for the euro index and the same pattern but inverted for the dollar index. All right. Okay, another interesting chart I have seen is the Swiss franc index here. It has formed some kind of head and shoulders, not very much head and shoulders, but some kind of head and shoulders. And there is a very strong support level here. If the price has broken this, I believe it's going to drop from this point. I said I have to highlight this because the Swiss franc has been consolidating for a very long time. Uh, and you see here in the pound Swiss daily chart, okay, the same pattern is repeated but inverted. The same, which means that the Swiss franc is dominating on this pair. The pound has a small effect on it, but the Swiss franc has a very strong effect. If you have noticed here, it's a sharp drop, then some kind of a shoulder, then some kind of consolidation on the resistance level here. Look at the Swiss franc again. This is daily Swiss franc. Same but inverted shape for the pound Swiss. So I believe technically the price might go up from here, from this point. Okay, but I'm going to wait to see some kind of confirmation first. Again, please do your math. Don't just copy me, and consult your financial advisor before you make any decision. Okay. Also, the Kiwi index here has formed a double top after a dramatic rise here. It has formed a double top. It may go down if it broke this support level. Okay, on the Bitcoin level, this is the daily chart and this is the weekly chart. And as I told you, several weeks or several months maybe, that it's the Bitcoin is moving in a is a moving in a rising channel, as you can see here. Um, I believe it's going to retrace a little bit for the next week. That's what I believe. Also, I have noticed that the XRP, this is the daily chart for the XRP, it's forming some kind of falling wedge, and it's the XRP is testing this level, the upper this line, okay, this trend line. It's testing it right now. If it broke, it may go higher. If not, it will drop back within the wedge. Okay, but I believe generally speaking that the whole cryptocurrencies are moving in the same. Or most of the cryptocurrencies are moving in the same direction. So if the Bitcoin fall, the XRP is going to fall. If the Bitcoin went up, it went bullish, this is going to go bullish also. So it's a little bit of confusing chart for me. Okay, and that's it. I have found nothing else interesting the last week, this week for this week. Only the euro dollar. I told you this is my winning lottery ticket. The Swiss franc, the pound franc, the Kiwi dollar, and on the cryptocurrency level, the Bitcoin and XRP. This is the situation for them from my own point of view. And please, 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 I love you so much. I want you to subscribe to because you are going to learn a lot from this channel. Okay, and you will find the honesty and knowledge at the same time. So thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribe.